Hi! In this video, I want to share with you some thoughts about an audiobook, Make Your Bed by Admiral McRaven, that I recently listened to. This book has 10 lessons that can change our lives. The first one stands for Start your day with a task completed. Make your own bed. If you can't do the little things right, you will never do the big things right. And if by chance you have a miserable day, you will come home to a bed that is made, that you made it. And a made bed gives you encouragement that tomorrow will be better. I am totally agree with that. When you clean your house, you clean your thoughts, and after, you are able to think clearly. I really recommend you to read this book or listen to its audiobook to learn more about the rest 9 lessons that Admiral McRaven described in it. And then share your thoughts in the comments below. I would be very happy to read it. Okay, and now let's back to the vlog. While I'm cleaning, I will also start cooking. So today I'm making buckwheat. This is buckwheat with chicken, garlic, and ginger. I have already poured water and now I will add some buckwheat. So the original proportion for buckwheat is 2 cups of water and 1 cup of buckwheat. Don't judge me a lot, but I use chopsticks a lot while cooking. Now moving on to the chicken. Today prepared some chicken thighs and chicken breast. So we'll start putting chicken thighs with the skin part on the pan and cut in half the chicken breast, and then with the skin kind of outside side, put it on a pan. I didn't add any oil or water into the pan, it just made itself. Meanwhile, I will chop garlic. First of all, I press it down so it has more flavor and it gives more taste. It's also easier to peel them that way. Let's press it again, one by one. And finally chop. Let's turn the chicken on the other side. It has beautiful golden and brown color on it. So far I didn't add any oil nor water in it. Okay, let's move garlic on its side and let's start cutting the ginger. So the skin of ginger, you can easily scratch it with a spoon or knife. I use knife and then slice it in big pieces. Meanwhile, turn the chicken. You see it's turning golden brown. So what I like to do with my thighs is to cut next to its bone, so it's easier to cook them, and it also takes less time. Added garlic and ginger. I still haven't added any oil or water in it. It's just cooking in its own juice. Adding some carrot and celery. I always have them frozen and cut it, so it's very easy to add them whenever I need. Okay, so while it's cooking, I will continue cleaning. So basically I'll do my sofa and then I will clean the floor.